Riverside, California, Pachapa Camp, circa 1912. In 1908, Pachapa Camp was established in Riverside, California, during the beginning of the occupation of Korea by the Empire of Japan, and played a role in independence organizing by early Korean Americans. Families built a small community and earned money by picking citrus. Photos of residents include children playing baseball and track, riding bicycles, learning trumpet, and playing among the chrysanthemums the community grew.